Congratulations on getting to the point of detoxing. There are many different ways to detox. And in this program, we're looking at a couple of different programs that are made by a company named Quicksilver Scientific that I enjoy using. There is a Chinese herbal practitioner that is on staff. So his formulations are really through the lens of Chinese and functional medicine, which really resonates with my approach and my practice. So there is a lot of like beginning steps that anyone can do that are safe, in the sense of like beginning to drink lemon water and eating a more alkaline diet and integrating more bitters in the diet and or supplements like bitters before meals. But there are formal programs like the Pre-Tox program that is beginning to push the liver and really supports the structures and the tissues and the kidneys during the process. And there's another program called the Push Catch, which is a little bit more direct into pushing toxins and grabbing them and removing them from the body, all the way up to more advanced detox programs that are focused on grabbing toxins that are provoked out of the tissues like molds and metals. So please explore detoxification and understand that anything on the spectrum is going to be beneficial in the sense of purging the body of toxins, and the recommendations that I gave you in your personalized approach is a focus for you, but it is nice to appreciate the spectrum of detox systems that are available on the market. Enjoy.